Hey everyone, welcome back to Awesomer Toys. Today, we'll be checking out these Disney Princess Slime bottles. Each bottle has hidden surprises, so let's find them all. Okay, let's start with this Queen Elsa slime bottle. Check it out! Queen Elsa was holding a bunch of red slime. Awesome! I see two hidden surprises. The first one is this Princess Ariel figure. And our second surprise is this Toy Story 4 keychain. We got Jessie. Now let's play with this red slime for a bit, and then move on. Alright. Now let's check out this Princess Jasmine slime bottle. Princess Jasmine was holding a bunch of green slime. Let's find the hidden surprises. Oh, here's one. It's Everest from the Paw Patrol. Let's see, where is the other surprise? Oh, here it is. Another Paw Patrol member. It's Marshall. Now let's play with this green slime and then move on. Who's up next? It's Princess Rapunzel slime bottle. She was holding all of this yellow slime. Okay, let's find the surprises. Awesome! Here's Hallie from Doc McStuffins. The second surprise toy isn't hiding very well. It's another Doc McStuffins character. We found Bronte. Well, it's pretty hard to hide a dinosaur. Let's play with this yellow slime and then check out another bottle. Come on up. Well, look who it is! It's Princess Anna! She was holding a bunch of pink slime. Those surprise characters look familiar. Awesome! We got Peppa Pig! The second surprise must also be a Peppa Pig character. Yep, it's her little brother, George. Let's play with this pink slime and then check out our last slime bottle. Here's our last slime bottle. Okay, Princess Cinderella, which surprise toys are you hiding? Check it out! She was holding a bunch of blue slime. Whoa! One surprise toy looks really big. Nice! We got Owlette from the PJ Masks. Let's see what our final surprise toy is. Awesome! We got Gecko. He's also from the PJ Masks. Alright, let's play with this blue slime one last time and call it a day. If you want to watch more surprise toys being opened, be sure to click that subscribe button. See ya!